You won't get no dessert till you clean up your plate. So
Right.
eat it.
Oh, right.
Don't you tell me you're full, just eat it.
Okay.
Eat it. Get yourself an egg and beat it. Have some more chicken.
All right.
Have some more pie. It doesn't matter if it's boiled or fried. Just eat it. Just eat it.
I think you got my vote already.
Just eat it.
Okay. All
Table
right.
manners are a crying shame. You're playing
Right.
with your food, this ain't some kind of game. Now if you starve to death, you'll just have yourself to blame. So eat it, just eat it.
Brilliant.
Got a hardcover book.
You better listen, better do what you're told. You
Most of
haven't
them are
even touched
designed
your
so your
casserole.
handles go inside
You
and you
better
store it
chow
on the
down
bookshelf
or
and
it's
take
gonna
off the
get
book.
cold. So eat it.
I don't know about that.
I don't care if
Who
you're
thought of that?
just eat it.